dear children, welcome back to English class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. How are you children? Are you fine? Very good. Children, today let us discuss the question answers from the lesson AMMU'S Kitten, and we'll also discuss the grammar session, page number 70. Okay, so first let us discuss the question and answer. Okay. So children, see the first question. What does Ammu tell her friends at school? What does Ammu tell her friends at school? Ammu lies to her friends at school that she has a kitten named Shankar. So Ammu lies to her friends. Yes, she was lying to her friends. That is not a truth. She was lying to her friends at school that she has a kitten named Shankar. Okay, next question. Shankar is scared of crowds. Who says this to whom? Who says this dialogue to whom? Yes, it is Ammu says this to her friends. Who says this to whom? Yes, Ammu says this to her friends. Next question. Why does she say this? Okay, so this is the dialogue. Shankar is scared of crowds. Ammu says this to her friends. Why does she say this? Answer. Ammu says this to stop her friends coming home. What's the answer? Ammu says this to stop her friends coming home. Because when her friends come home, they will understand or they will realize Ammu doesn't have a kitten. So that is why she says this to stop her friends coming home. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Why is Ammu worried and sad? Why is Ammu worried and sad? Why? Answer. Ammu is worried and sad because if her friends come home, they will find out that she does not have a pet kitten. Yes, her friends told her that they will come to see her pet kitten. But actually, she doesn't have a pet kitten. So, Ammu worried and sad about what? When her friends come home, they will find out that she was lying. So, I'll read the question and answer once more. Why is Ammu worried and sad? Ammu is worried and sad because if her friends come home, they will find out that she does not have a pet kitten. Okay, next question, question number 4. What does she request Achan to do? What does she request Achan to do? Answer. Ammu requests Achan to buy a kitten for her. Isn't it? Yes, that evening when she reached home, she requested her Achan to buy a new pet kitten for her. Okay, so Ammu requests Achan to buy a kitten for her. Okay, so children, write all these question answers in your notebook and study well. Children, let's discuss the thing and answer session, page number 70. Why is Ammu surprised to see Shankar? How does he come there? Yes, Ammu was surprised because she doesn't own a pet kitten. When her friends told her that they have seen her Shankar in the garden, she was surprised. And how does he come there? How does Shankar come there? Yes, it is Ammu's father, Ammu's Achan, who bought that new pet kitten for Ammu as a surprise. Okay. Values. Now Ammu has a pet kitten. What should she do? Tick the correct answer. She should take care of Shankar with help from Achan and Amma. She should let Shankar take care of himself, or she should ask Amma to take care of Shankar. Yes, what should she do? Yes, she should take care of Shankar with help from Achan and Amma. So, tick that point. That is the right one, isn't it? Yes, if we have pets, we have to love them. We have to care them. Okay, that is our duty. Okay, if we can't, we have to seek the help from our parents or grandparents. But we have to take the initiative to care these pet animals. Okay.
Now let's discuss the vocabulary session from our textbook, page number 71. So all of you take your textbook. Vocabulary. Read this sentence. I have a beautiful kitten. I have a beautiful kitten. Something that has a lot of beauty is beautiful. Something that has a lot of beauty is beautiful. Full means full of or leaving a lot of. What is the meaning of full? Yes, full means full of or having a lot of something. So here the kitten has a lot of beauty. So that is why we are saying I have a beautiful kitten. Okay, now let's see some examples. Now children add full with these words. Truth plus full, truthful. Proud plus full, proudful. Skill plus full, skillful. Meaning plus full, meaningful. If a person always says truth, we can call him as a truthful person. If there is a lot of matter for proud, we can say, I am very proudful. If a person has a lot of skill, we can say he is very skillful. If something has a lot of meaning, we can say that is meaningful. So, full means full of or having a lot of something. Okay, children, in your textbook, page number 71 and 72, there is an activity. Work in pairs, complete these full words. Then make some sentences with these words and tell each other. First one, a person who has a lot of power is... What we have to do? We have to add full with the word power because that word is in blue color. So we have to add full with that word. Then what will be the answer? A person who has a lot of power is powerful. Power plus full, powerful. Next one, a thing which is of great use is... What is the answer? Use plus full, useful. Very good. Third one, something that is full of colors is dash. Here which word in blue color? Yes, colors. So colors plus full, colorful. We have to avoid S and add full. So color plus full, colorful. Fourth one, a person who does things with care is... Care plus full, careful. Fifth one, a person who helps others is... Helps plus full, helpful. We have to avoid S. Then it become helpful. So, a person who helps others is helpful. Very good. Children, complete this textual exercise by yourself.
Children, I hope you all understood today's class. Write the question answers in your notebook and study well. Okay, and do the textual exercise in your textbook and study well. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. We'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.